In this video, I'll show you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and N8N in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to automate follow-up messages, reminders, notifications, or any email you want to send on a schedule without doing it manually every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy automation guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and add a schedule trigger node. This node is what tells N8N when to run your automation. You can choose the timing that works best for you, whether that's every day, every week, or at a specific interval. Once your trigger is in place, click the plus icon to add a new node. From the list of available apps, search for Gmail and select it. This is the node that will let N8N send emails through your Gmail account. After that, choose the send a message action. This is the option you need if you want N8N to automatically compose and deliver an email for you. Now it's time to set up the message details. Fill in the recipient email address, add your subject line, and type the body of the email you want to send. Make sure everything is written exactly the way you want it to appear in the inbox. After you've entered the email content, connect your Gmail account by clicking Sign in with Google. Follow the prompts and approve the connection so N8N can send emails on your behalf. Once the account is connected, your workflow is ready to go. At this point, you can test the automation to make sure the email sends correctly and everything looks good. And that's it. You've now set up N8N to auto-send emails with Gmail on a schedule. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more N8N tutorials, Gmail automation tips, and simple no-code workflows.